Hello everyone, welcome back to another one of my videos. In this video I'm going to talk about VCA faders in Cubase. And basically what a VCA fader is a single fader on your mixer that you can use to control the volume of loads of other channels. So I've got this simple beat written out just using the presets in Cubase. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add all of these drum channels, these yellow ones, into a VCA fader that I'm going to use to control the volume of them all. So what I'm going to do is hold down Control on the keyboard and just select all of the drum channels, then right click on one of the channels, and I'm going to select Add VCA Fader to Selected Channels, and then that creates this fader. I'm just going to change the colour of that so it's easier to see. So I can control the volume of all of these channels now with this single fader. So I'll play it through. And this is slightly different to using group channels because there's no signal processing on this channel at all. It's purely just to control the volume. As you can see, there's no channel settings, there's no effects to be put on. It's purely just for dynamics. And if you want to add something else to this, so say I wanted to add this bass line into this VCA fader, I just click here at the top, this little arrow, include in link group, and include in link 2 this is. So now this bass is now controlled by this as well. It also puts this little VCA channel on the main screen as well, and you can use this for automation. So if I click the R button and just draw some automation, this fader is now going to be automatic. So it's got some interesting usages. One of the main things I find with it is if you're mixing vocals and you're struggling to get them vocals to sit in the mix of your song, then what I try to do now is I'll add every single vocal channel and group to a single VCA fader, and then I'll add every single music channel and group to a single VCA fader. So then I've got the music in one and the vocals on another, and then I'll just control the music. I'll move it up or down depending on where it needs to be in the mix, and it's a amazing way to get the vocals to sit perfectly in the mix. So let me know how you get on with VCA faders. If you have any comments, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.